Did you know that replacing an employee can cost your business anywhere from 20% to 200% of the employee's annual salary? That's right. High employee turnover can be a costly affair. In this video, we will dive deep into the importance of employee retention and strategies to ensure your employees are engaged and committed to your organization. I am Thamizharasu, your business coach, and together, we will explore effective ways to enhance employee retention which ultimately leads to business success. 1. Understanding the importance of employee retention for business success. Employee retention is crucial for business success. When you have a high turnover rate, it not only results in financial losses but also leads to a decrease in productivity, morale, and the overall quality of work. By retaining skilled employees, businesses can provide better services and products which can lead to customer satisfaction and increased profits. 2. Digging deeper. The true costs of high employee turnover. Losing a trained employee means losing valuable skills and knowledge. There are direct costs associated with hiring and training new employees, not to mention the time and productivity lost during the transition. Understanding these costs can help businesses prioritize employee retention. 3. Key factors contributing to employee retention. Some key factors contributing to employee retention include competitive salaries, good work-life balance, positive workplace culture, and opportunities for professional growth. Open and clear communication is a cornerstone of employee retention. This goes beyond just providing feedback on job performance. Employees should feel heard and their inputs valued. Investing in these areas can help businesses hold on to their talented employees. 4. The role of leadership and management in retaining employees. Effective leadership and management play a major role in employee retention. Leaders and managers who listen to their employees, recognize their efforts, and provide feedback and support. One of the crucial elements of leadership that impact retention is open and honest communication. Employees value leaders who are transparent and who maintain regular communication channels. Tend to have teams with higher job satisfaction and lower turnover rates. 5. Enhancing employee engagement, a powerful retention strategy. Engaged employees are more likely to stay with the company. Businesses can enhance employee engagement through transparent communication, offering opportunities for professional development, and recognizing and rewarding good performance. 6. The impact of work-life balance on employee retention. Ensuring a good work-life balance is crucial for employee retention. Flexibility in working hours, remote work options, and providing paid time off can contribute to a better work-life balance and thus, higher employee retention. 7. The significance of competitive compensation and benefits in employee retention. Competitive salaries and benefits are important for retaining employees. Businesses should regularly review their compensation packages to ensure they are in line with or better than what competitors are offering. 8. Exploring the link between employee recognition and retention. Regularly recognizing and rewarding employees for their performance is a powerful retention strategy. Recognition can be in the form of verbal praise, awards, promotions, or financial incentives. 9. Developing a positive workplace culture for better employee retention. A positive workplace culture fosters employee satisfaction and engagement. It includes factors like respect for diversity, open communication, and opportunities for collaboration and idea sharing. 10. Implementing effective employee retention strategies in your business. Incorporating effective retention strategies in your business is essential to minimize employee turnover. This can include things like offering competitive compensation, fostering a positive work environment, providing opportunities for growth, and recognizing employees' contributions. These are some of the key strategies you can use to boost employee retention and foster a positive and productive work environment. I hope these insights will help you in enhancing employee engagement and retention in your organization. And before we wrap up, if you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and share it with others who might benefit. Stay tuned for more such videos, providing expert advice to help your business succeed. This is Thamizharasu, your business coach, signing off. Keep growing.